Good morning, it's Sharon here with simplycanning.com, and I'm getting ready to can apricots this morning, and I thought I would share a quick tip with you. I have two things for you. Number one, I went and purchased apricots yesterday from a farm stand, and usually when you purchase from either a farm stand or an orchard, your fruit will come in a big box like this, and this goes for all fruit, not just apricots. But what you need to do is that box will be full, and if you leave it full, all of those apricots that are on the bottom are going to get smashed. And so when you get home, immediately take off that top layer, and you can use the lid to the box. Just make sure that you have your fruit in either a single layer, or this is too deep, and so that works as well. So you don't want the fruit in the bottom of the box to get smashed, so separate your fruit when you get them home. The second thing is, when you're done canning this box, don't throw it away. This box is perfect for storage of full canning jars, especially if you're like me and you can enough to where you can't fit it all in your pantry and you need to store it. This box works well. I can't remember how many jars fits in there. I think it's 8 jars fits in here. It has a lid, you can stack them, and it's just really convenient. You know how canning jars come in those little trays wrapped with plastic? They don't come in the nice boxes anymore. So be sure and save your fruit boxes. They're valuable. I would even pay for them. So that was 2 tips. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope it was helpful. We'll talk to you later.